is Jacob Sarigumba from BSMT 10. Today I'm going to talk about network categories.
To the computer networks course. Today we will see the classification of computer networks. After completing this session, we will understand what are LAN, MAN and WAN. And after understanding LAN, WAN and MAN, we will also understand what are the devices that are involved in LAN, MAN and WAN. And we will also understand what are the new trends in computer network. We will see the classification of computer networks. Computer networks are classified into local area network or simply LAN, metropolitan area network or simply MAN, wide area network or simply WAN. We will see local area. A local area network is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area. Say a small network that is there in our residence or our school, lab, university campus or office is said to be a local area network. Let's take an example. Let there are 100 computers in a network and this is a school network. Each of these computers are connected to each other with the help of a switch. And we can call this computer network as a local area network. Why? Because all these computers can communicate with each other internally. We can set up LAN in two ways. One is a wired LAN, another one is a wireless LAN. In wired LAN, we have cables. The example technology for a wired LAN is Ethernet. We have already seen in the previous lecture that Ethernet is used to connect two or more nodes. In this case, this node is connected to the switch. This computer is connected to the switch with the help of an Ethernet cable. To be precise, this is an Ethernet straight-through cable because Ethernet straight-through cable connects devices of different kinds. Switch and computers are different kinds of devices. So we need to use Ethernet straight-through cable. In case if we want to connect this computer with this computer directly, then we have to go for Ethernet crossover cable. Whatever it is, Ethernet is the well-known and the most popular technology in wired LAN. And the devices that are used in the wired LAN are hub and switch. I will talk about this hub and switch in the next lecture elaborately. Now, you just understand hub or switch can be an intermediary device in a local area network, and that too in a wired local area network. We can also have a local area network wireless, example Wi-Fi. Now we will see metropolitan area network is a computer network that interconnects users or computers in a geographic region. See, there are two branches in a city and these two branches are somehow connected with each other. So this kind of network is called as a metropolitan area network. In other words, there are two local area networks. These two local area networks are connected to each other in a city. The devices involved in this metropolitan area network are switches, hub for establishing a local area network, and to connect two local area networks we need routers or bridges. As I already mentioned, there are minimum two local area networks, and these two local area networks are to be connected with each other with the help of a router or a bridge. We'll see an example now. There are four local area networks connected to each other. Let's take this is a supermarket, and this supermarket has four branches. Computers in one supermarket will be in one local area network. Similarly, other branches also have separate local area network. And these supermarket branches must somehow communicate with each other. For example, if someone is asking for a product which is not there in this branch, the employee of this branch wants to search whether the product is available in other branches. This is possible only if all local area networks of the supermarket are connected. And this is what exactly a metropolitan area network. Please remember, this is restricted to only a small geographic region like a city. Please note, in every land there are some computers, and these computers can communicate with other computers in other local area networks. And this is possible only if these computers are somehow connected with each other. Time to a wide area network is a telecommunications network that extends over a larger geographical area. It means it is a telecommunications network, but it deals with a larger geographical area. First, we will see what is a telecommunications network. Any communication at a distance, we call it as a telecommunication network. So here, the communication is going to be within a large geographical area. In MAN, two or more LANs within a city can communicate with each other. In WAN, two or more LANs within a country can communicate with each other. The devices in WAN are all end devices and intermediary devices. Because an end device in one part of the country may want to communicate with an end device which is in the other part of the country. And some authors will refer this wide area network to be the internet. We will see an example now. And there are two local area networks. One local area network is in New